Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss articles. Articles are the words which define noun as particular or general. Articles are the very important part of English language and it makes a noun particular or general. Let's see how. There are two types of articles. One is indefinite and the second one is definite. In indefinite, a and an comes in under indefinite and the comes in definite articles. Indefinite means when you make the thing general, common, unknown or unspecific. So a or an is used to make the nouns general, common one or unknown one, not a particular one. On the other hand, definite article the makes the noun particular, uncommon, known, specific. It means it makes the noun particular one, important one. Now comes to the use of indefinite and definite articles. First thing is that a and an is used with singular noun. A is used with consonants. For example, a boy, a woman. An is used with vowel sounds. I am not saying vowels, I am saying vowel sounds. You know there are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, U. Actually, A, E, I, O is all right. The vowels, all the vowel sounds are like A, E, I, O. But the U sound is not in the vowel sounds. You sometimes have a sound of A. When there is a sound of A, an is used with it. And when there is not a sound of A, and there is a sound of U, then we don't use an with it. It will be more clear to you with these examples. Look at the examples. An apple. A is a vowel sound, so we are using an. An owl. O is a vowel sound, so we are using an. An egg, an ink pot, an umbrella. Now you can see in U, an is coming with U, but U has a sound of a. An umbrella. Okay? Alright? But when you see a university, we are using with university a, although U is coming here also. The reason is that in university there is a sound of U, and U sound does not come in vowel sounds. Look at another example, an hour. We are using an with H, but H is not the sound of ha. So that's why H is silent here, and we can listen the sound of O, an R, a sound. So that's why we are using an. We are not using a here. You can see because H is silent here. Now comes to the use of the. The is used with all the nouns, singular, plural, countable or uncountable nouns. One thing we should know, there is only one most important use of the, that is it is used with known person, things or places to the audience. Whenever we use the audience knows what thing, what person or what place we are talking about. Now look at the examples. I like the book you gave me. That is not a common book or unknown book. It is the book which you gave me. So it is a particular book. Second example, the telephone is ringing. Then you can see that the person is talking about a particular or specific telephone. Look at the third one. Dad is waiting in the car. The car. It is the particular car in which dad is waiting, or it is the dad's personal car. So the audience knows what car he's talking about. There are some other uses of the also, but the most important use of the is this one. Other uses or the rest one you will learn with the exposure of the language or with the experience. Now I will show you with the example that how the definite and indefinite articles changes the meaning of the sentence. Look at the first example. I like a cup of tea in the evening. And second one is I like the cup of tea in the evening. What is the difference? The difference is in meaning. Although the structure is more or less same. So the difference in the first one, when we say I like a cup of tea in the evening, it means that it is my habit and it is I like this thing that I have any cup of tea in the evening. Means I want a cup of tea. It is not a particular one, but any cup of tea, whoever make it, I enjoy that cup of tea. Second one is I like the cup of tea in the evening. This is the particular one. The cup of tea which you make. The cup of tea which my friend make. So, which my friend makes. So this is the particular cup of tea. So I hope you have understood how the use of a or the makes the difference in meaning. Now come to the omission. Omission means where articles are not used. The situations where articles are not used. Articles are not used with names of games and languages. For example, we are studying English. We are studying the English is wrong. Or I like to play cricket. If we say I like to play the cricket, it is wrong. Now come to the second example with proper nouns except some places which have the in their names. For example, the United States of America, the Nile, the Red Sea. So with proper nouns we never use the except the names which have the in their names. I hope you have understood the use of article and you will learn more with the practice. You will learn more with the reading, and note whenever you are reading you should note the use of these articles. So you will get more know-how of these articles. Thank you and please subscribe my channel.